Welcome back to another episode of Cup of Joe Crypto, where we go over everything Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related. Took another day off, guys. Work has been absolutely crazy. But before I get this video started, I'd like to say that I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in here is not financial advice. I am strictly just updating you with the news. Um, with that being said, let's jump right in the markets. We have a $262 billion market cap with BTC dominance at a steady 70.9%. Bitcoin having a little bit of a dip today to about 10,400, and the top 10 follow. The only one with a positive is Bitcoin SV, and Cardano still going down, but very, very slightly. I still can't believe you can buy Cardano for under a nickel. I say that every episode, but it just blows my mind. Anyway, moving on to the first story. Bitcoin falls to break $11,000 again. Drops $400 in 1 hour by Jory Camp. Friday, September 6th, the Bitcoin price is holding around 10,400 price mark after the largest cryptocurrency got rejected in its attempt to break 11,000. Bitcoin was well on its way to 11,000 price mark, hitting an intraday high of 10,900 when it lost $400 in less than an hour of trading. At press time, the world's most popular cryptocurrency is trading at 10,350 and down 2.12% for the day. And that shows you that drop right there. Quite the drop in quite a little bit of time. And that was Bitcoin's 24-hour price chart. The upward momentum seen in the 12% 7-day gains excited analysts. However, bullish sentiments could be short-lived now that Bitcoin has yet again failed to break the 11,000 mark. Cointelegraph reported earlier that FlibFlib, a popular Bitcoin trader, had pointed to the large launch of institutional trading platform Backed later in September as a deciding moment for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin continues to consolidate above 10K, he stated. He added, a lot of people are hoping to get bids filled with below 9K. The market rally gets what it wants, and I wouldn't be surprised if they are forced to buy higher. But see what happens with the launch of Backed. The number one altcoin Ether is also taking a sharp nosedive and is currently trading at $169 per coin, down 2.44% on the day. And there is the 24-hour price chart. And I'm going to skip Ripple. Ain't no sense of talking about that. Mostly losers among the top 20 coins. The worst performing top 20 altcoins are IOTA, down 4.41%. Tron, down 5%. Allegroland, which is seeing a whopping 17.73 loss over the 24-hour period at press time. On September 1st, well-known crypto analyst Josh Reger took a shot at Tron founder Justin Sun and accused him of buying the 5,000 to 6,000 Twitter followers a day. Guys, I discussed this in the last video. There's no way he's getting that many Twitter followers in one day. Only 3 out of the top 20 coins by market cap are seeing minor gains at press time, with Bitcoin SV showing negligible gains of 0.22 on the day. The overall crypto capitalization at $262 billion as of press time, with Bitcoin shares accounting for 70.9% of the total. So, slight decline, guys, but at least for those saying that Bitcoin wasn't going to break the 10,005 and go to 8,005, well, once again, they were wrong. Everybody wants to predict the Bitcoin's price, but guess what? It's just impossible to do. I thought this was a pretty cool story that I wanted to share with you guys. How a foundation is turning towards crypto and blockchain to save the Amazonian rainforest. Muskin Bagricha wrote this article and said that the Rainforest Foundation, a New York-based nonprofit organization founded in 1987, is looking for the support of blockchain technology in the crypto community to fight the Amazonian rainforest fires. In spite of the fact that the Rainforest Foundation had its own cryptocurrency, namely BitSeeds, they are reaching out to the crypto community to elevate and exemplify their impact in South America. Suzanne Pelletier, the executive head of the Rainforest Foundation, said, "Business as usual has gotten us to this point. Philanthropy as usual won't get us out. We need innovative solutions, and no one is more innovative than cryptocurrency users." Ain't that the truth? The Rainforest Foundation highlighted the fact that deforestation in South America has increased by 75%, and the Amazonian forest fires have doubled this year. They, therefore, are working with the Green Network seeking the help of the crypto community for a donation of about 100 million USD to fight the devastation in the Amazon forest. Guys, I don't know if you know this, but some of the spots that were burned produce 20% of the world's oxygen. Think about that. 1/5 of our oxygen could be eliminated in that fire. It's very important that we get the Amazon safe and get it heading in the right direction. It's so important for us and so many generations ahead. The foundation is using blockchain technology to give its donors transparency to see how their funds are being used. Apart from this, the foundation is looking towards using smart contracts to prevent illegal logging, land clearing, and gold mining. The foundation accepts donations in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and other crypto. The foundation on its website says, "Today we are developing a blockchain transparency pilot with Region Network, allowing donors to track our work in the Amazon rainforest and reward local communities who are protecting their forests with crypto. We have long been a part of the crypto team, but now we need you on our team." And it just says, so that's good to see blockchain being used for positivity and trying to save what has become a devastated rainforest. So, this next article, guys, you are going to find very nerve wracking, as I know I did. Oopsies, I deleted it. Anyway, I'll go ahead and speak about it. A unnamed wallet had moved a total of 94,000 Bitcoin worth over $1 billion to an unknown address. There was 4 total transactions, one for 1 Bitcoin, one for 0.10, and then of course the one for 94,000 Bitcoin. Has struck a lot of fear in the market as people don't know what it is. Based on some research that people have done, they all have been coming from the Huobi wallets, and it seems to be that the Huobi Global Foundation is moving the Bitcoin around. So, in my honest opinion, I don't see it's something to be too worried about. I know the whale tracker chart charts every kind of large Bitcoin transaction, but I think our most other recent Bitcoin large transaction that we had on Whale Alert was a move from Binance, moving one um, large amount of crypto to another, but they were posting and kind of giving people a heads up so that people weren't freaking out, so to speak, as they are in this situation. And the one last article is Bitcoin price corrects while gold sees worst daily drop in 2.5 years. And this is by Helen Parts. Thursday, September 5th, after failing to break the 10,800 price point, Bitcoin continued to hover around 10,500 while most of the top 20 coins saw major losses. After hitting an intraday high of 10,761, Bitcoin has seen a notable decline and continued fluctuating around 10,500 for most of the day. At press time, Bitcoin is trading at $10,528, which is down around 1% over the past 24 hours at press time. Still, Bitcoin is up more than 10% over the past 7 days, according to some. that major cryptocurrency entered the day phase of the next bull cycle recently. Bitcoin's dominance continues to grow, having broken 71% of the market share earlier today. At press time, Bitcoin's dominance percentage accounts for 70.9%, according to data from CoinMarketCap. ETH, the second cryptocurrency, is down 2.8% and trading at 173 as we earlier talked about. XRP, since I avoided them last time, the third cryptocurrency by market cap, tumbled 1.7% to trade at 0.26, staying nearly flat over a 7-day period at press time. A little surprised to see this with Binance losing their American customers. Binance Coin sees notable gains. Only 4 out of the top 20 coins by market cap are seeing growth at press time, with Binance Coin surging the most. The native coin of a major global crypto exchange, Binance, is up more than 7.2% to trade at $23. Earlier today, Binance announced that it was launching a new USD-backed stablecoin, Binance USD, in partnership with digital asset trust company Paxos. In contrast, Tron is seeing the biggest losses among the top 20 at press time, down 4.7%, and on September 30th, we already read this. Justin Tron once again buying fake Twitter followers. The total market capitalization has dropped slightly from $268 billion in the beginning of the day to $266 billion at press time, while daily volume trade dropped around $1 billion to account for $50 billion at press time, according to CoinMarketCap. Guys, I am also a fan of gold, so this was interesting to see. Meanwhile, gold prices have reportedly seen the worst daily percentage decline in more than 2.5 years today, down more than 2% over the day, according to CNBC. At press time, spot gold traded at $15.18 per ounce, down 2.1%, while United States gold futures dropped 2% to trade at $15.28. Earlier today, veteran frontier market investor Mark Mobius claimed that in order to have any value, a cryptocurrency should be backed by gold. Previous, Mobius suggested that cryptocurrencies can potentially trigger the surge of the price of gold, arguing that the rise of faith in Bitcoin and crypto will increase the demand for the hard asset. I'm a fan of both. I do not think there is nearly the chance of gold bringing back the potential of return on your money as gold is. And I'm trying to find that whale story. I had it, but it got deleted. And here we go. So, CoinDesk reports John Biggs' massive 1 billion Bitcoin whale transaction makes waves. And this is showing you the transaction, the $94,000 Bitcoin balance worth over $1,027,112,492. Blockchain analyst firm Token Analysis noticed that most of the transactions came from Huobi wallets, and that the team is looking into the validity of the claims, said a Huobi spokesperson. Not surprisingly, the move changed Bitcoin's price from 10,569 to 10,79 and follows a similarly mysterious $780 million BTC move that took place last week. Others suggested that the move was a deposit into the new backed warehouse product or liquidated funds from the Plus Token Ponzi scheme. Token analysts created a graphic that shows the movement of the Huobi BTC in the new wallet. And so there you go. They stated that they contacted Huobi and the token analyst for further comment. 1 billion BTC was transferred in one transaction today. Where did that come from? I think, guys, the transfer of 94,000 Bitcoin, the transaction only costed $10. Think about that. Where else could that even be a possibility? Nowhere. And this goes on to state that zooming into the flow of money, we see that a third of the 94.5K Bitcoin directly originates from the HOB Global. These funds are currently sitting at the wallet below and are unspent. We'll be keeping an eye on these funds and where they move to. So, a lot of interesting news today, guys. Sorry for the day pause, but it just gets busy sometimes. Make sure you please subscribe. It's been very hard to build a channel, so all your support means the world to me. Hit the like button. Please tell your friends. Again, any feedback in the comment sections, what I could do to make the channel better, what I could do to help, and what I could do to make the channel grow so that this could be the #1 news outlet would be greatly appreciated. I appreciate it. Again, smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next episode. See ya.